In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a partial invoice on QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to manage your invoicing is essential for maintaining cash flow and keeping your business running smoothly, so let's dive right in. We'll start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. If you're not already logged in, you'll first need to head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once there, you'll see the sign in option. Make sure you click on that. Next, you want to choose the QuickBooks Online option from the login menu. This will take you directly to the QuickBooks login section where you can input your credentials. Carefully type in your email and password and then click continue to access your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of your QuickBooks homepage. In the drop down menu that appears, click on Account and Settings. Now you'll see several tabs on the left hand side. You want to click on Sales. By doing so, you'll be able to configure all settings related to your sales, which include invoices and preferences. In the Sales tab, scroll down until you find the Progress Invoicing section. Now this is crucial for partial invoicing as it allows you to bill incrementally over time for a project or task. So make sure to turn on the Progress Invoicing option. Once it's turned on, click Save to apply any changes to your settings. After saving, click Done to exit the Settings menu. Now return to your QuickBooks homepage. Here you'll click on the New button, which is situated at the top left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll need to select Invoice to begin creating a new invoice. When you're on the invoice creation page, the first thing you want to do is add your customer. Click into the customer field and select the customer you need from the drop-down list or type their name to find it more quickly. After selecting the customer, click Add to include them in the invoice. The next step is to adjust the payment rate or the amount that you're billing your customer. This is where you specify the partial amount. For example, if the total project is $10,000 and you want to bill for 25% of the work completed, you would enter $2,500. After entering the rate, your final step here is to click Save at the bottom of the invoice to ensure all your input is recorded correctly. And there you have it, you've just created a partial invoice on QuickBooks Online. The process might seem a bit complex at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes routine. Remember, partial invoices are a fantastic way to earn revenue incrementally and ensure cash flow, especially for long-term projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.